The PowerXL Duo NutriSealer is versatile and easy to use in a multitude of ways. Let's learn how to create basic bags from the resealable roll. Unlock the sealing arm and pull a length of bag from the roll large enough to fit what you'll be sealing. Leave between 2 to 4 inches of additional bag at top to allow enough space for the appliance to seal tightly depending on the bulk of the item you're sealing. Place the length of bag material on the sealing platform. Align the edges of the bag material with the alignment guide. Close the sealing arm and press down on the sealing arm near the latch lock button until the sealing arm clicks into place. Starting at one end of the sealing arm, slide the bag cutter all the way to the other side of the sealing arm to cut the bag material to your desired length. Always return the bag cutter to one end of the appliance before cutting. Press the Seal Only button to seal the bottom of the bag. The light next to the selected button will illuminate. When the bag is sealed, the light will turn off. Open the sealing arm to remove the bag. It is now ready for filling and sealing. Slide the open end onto the sliding platform and line it up with the alignment guide. Click the sealing arm into place and once again press the Seal Only button. The bag is sealed and ready once the lights turn off. That's the basics for making and sealing bags with your PowerXL Duo NutriSealer. For more information, please go to PowerXLDuo.com.
PowerXL. Life keeps you busy. We help you excel.